So hello and welcome you all to COUNSELLING Dental Academy. I am Dr. Malay, the Pediatric Dentist and Assistant Professor in College of Dental Sciences. So aspirant, today we are here with the NEET MDS counseling guidance. So we know the result have come, and first of all, congratulations to all my dear students, those who have qualified and those who have got good rank. And those students who fail to clear, no worry, you can work up and start your preparation again. So let's see the few counseling important. So whatever the NBE and NetBoard has provided, those points I am going to discuss in this video. The first thing is cutoff score of 2021. So aspirant, for general category it is 259, for SC, ST, OBC it is 227, and for URPWD it is 243. So this is the minimum score for the student to get through MDS seat. Fine. Now few students, those who are not able to get through the qualification, don't worry, but you have to wait. You should have patience, because cutoff score is going to revise, because last year also the cutoff score was 286, it was revised to 220, 250 to 188, and 268 to 204. So aspirants, you have to wait till the cutoff score get revised. And aspirants, one better truth I want to tell: if you want to go for good college or good seat, the revised cutoff score, in that you are going to get the leftover seats. So anybody who really want for good clinical seat, please don't wait for the cutoff score. You can start your preparation. Then aspirants, remember, you can download your scorecard on 12th of January from the website nbe.edu.in. Please download it and have it. Will be very important for your further processes. Now for seat metrics and counseling, you have to follow this website, that is mcc.nic.in. In that you have to click on the PG medical counseling. In that our MDS seat metrics and everything will come. Many students are asking me, first of all, sir, whether I will get this seat or that seat. Aspirant, you have to wait, because every year they are going to change the seat metrics. Every year the number of students will be more or less. Remember, if you are qualified, if you have got good marks, definitely you are going to get seat. Those who are in the top 300 or top 500, their chances in government to get in government college is more. After 500, it is little less that you can get in government college. Okay aspirants, one more thing, the counseling procedure is almost same like last year only. I am giving the link in the description box as well as I button above. You can go through how the counseling will be there. Remember, there will be two merit, there is a all India quota 50% and state quota 50%. In all India quota 50%, you can get the government college and deemed university. In state quota, whatever the state seats are there, you are going to get. So first AIQ 50% will come, and then the NB will send the data to the concerned state, and then from there you can get the concerned state merit list. After that you can go whichever. For example, if you are going through the AIQ, you can go through AIQ or state quota, whichever, wherever you are getting good seat, you can go through it. So aspirant, please follow this website. You have to check every day, and these two things are there. Any other small doubt you have regarding seat metrics or counseling, you can approach me. And those aspirants who are planning for, again, we are starting a new batch from Gen 6, for that also you can contact me. And see you with the part 2 as whatever update we are going to get from the NB or from the MCC now. Definitely within 24 hours I am going to provide you the video. Till then you can check out the playlist of the last year, how the counseling process was done, so you can get the idea regarding that. Okay aspirants, so once again congratulations to all of you. All the best. Hope your future is bright and you keep on rocking. Thank you all.